Yeah, so this just came in a custom command center and a cell phone holder. So this is custom made command center, which as you can see there, an AIM figure from Marvel Legends that fits. So this has a keyboard here, some buttons, yeah. So the chair does spin, and it can be also a cell phone holder. Now it also fits. Wait, I'm going to see if it can fit Batman. So this is my Ben Affleck Batfleck figure. Let's see. Because of McFarlane's limited, you can fudge it if you like, but his butt does not go to the seats. But for photography's sake, yeah. But it's, I think this looks much better. So yeah, custom command posts. Yeah.